Hi boss, welcome back to Crypto Trader. If you are following me for a while and got a chance of watching my previous analysis video on Ethereum, you already know that the price turned back up from the same weekly support zone which I explained in that video. Now I am still of the view that if ETH has to break its all-time high, then technically it has to come back to retest this support zone to give us enough bullish momentum once again to break the impact of huge weekly bearish candle. But obviously, it is not necessary. This is only my opinion, and price can go up right from here. But if you drop down to 1 age time frame, you will notice that we already have a double bottom here. Couple of days ago, price entered into our weekly support zone, pushed back up by the buyers, came back to retest the buyer's strength once again. And once again, buyers successfully managed breaking the seller's pressure, and we see a huge, beautiful bull run afterwards. Come back to 4 age time frame. Now the current situation is that the price closed above this very strong resistance zone with a good bullish momentum candle here. Then we see the price immediately goes into depletion and fell back to this zone once again. This zone is between 4345 and $4290, which is most recent and frequently tested area of values by the price. Now, if the buyers manage holding this zone and price could not break below this zone, then this is your potential buy zone if you have missed the previous buy opportunity. Just wait for a bullish momentum candle rising right from this area and open your long position after that. If you are a trader, place your stop loss below this zone, and if you are a hodler, then this is possibly going to be your first entry point after getting confirmations from the current price pattern action. I mean buy only if price pattern suggests buy, because in the current scenario there is no buy entry reason at the moment. And if price does not stop here and goes further down to retest this zone, then this is possibly the next buy zone for the hodlers. If we drop down to 1 each time frame, once again, you will notice that we are having lower lows and lower highs formation. It shows a possible decline in the price and it may come down to retest this zone as I predicted in the start of this video. Well, this is all from me. I always try to enter into any trade systematically because I prefer rules based trading. I have no guarantee that I'm going to win this trade, but I'm satisfied that I am not jumping into the trade without any reasons. This is my number one suggestion to all my viewers. You should trade systematically. Rules based trading always gives you an edge over the market and increases your winning odds. Well, you can do your own research and do not consider it a financial advice. Let me assure you one thing. Nobody knows what is market going to do next. Being an experienced trader, we can just try to analyze the market conditions and create best trading opportunities out of it. Please hit that like and subscribe button to appreciate my efforts and comment below if you may have any questions. Good luck. Happy trading.